Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable dark mode on Canva. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Are you tired of a strain from a bright screen? Switching to Canva Start Mode is a simple way to customize your design's experience. With over 160 million monthly users, Canva is an essential tool for designers and beginners alike, and its Start Mode option is a popular feature. So, how to enable this feature in your Canva? It's very simple. First of all, of course, how to open our Canva. As you can see here, my Canva is on the uh, light mode, and I want to switch to dark mode. Very simple. First of all, you can just select on the bottom left here on your profile. You'll find there is an option theme. You can just select on that, and in here you can just select from light to dark. So now we have switched your Canva from light mode to dark mode. It's very simple, right? And if you want to change theme, you want to turn off the dark mode, you can just do the same way. Select on your profile, select on theme, and you can just select on light, or you can sync with your system, your computer system. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable, how to turn on dark mode in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.